Right. Back tire bigger? Its swing arm's a little worn out too, see that?
Yeah. Doesn't give you a whole lot of confidence at high speed.
No, that's just a wobble, dude. My friend was all over the place. If it wouldn't have been for those apes, man, I wouldn't have been able to hang on to
You
it.
can't really trust it at that rate.
Got it going! Minibike Madness! 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 My chicken is sweet. There he goes! Just leaving a smoky trail. Leaving a smoky trail. Minibike Paradise, boys. This is the one I rode today. This was my horse. She treated me very well. Unfortunately, I broke off the Kickstarter when I was going to try to climb that hill.
Ooh.
That hill that Ted climbed looks steep and challenging.
Stick of dynamite, man. Put some Blenzol in there, man. You heard of that shit? It's like octane booster for a two-stroke. You can smell Blenzol. It's got a special smell.
Special race smell.
Is that a blend we smell now? Is that a blend we smell now in his?
Well, he's got premix, but I don't think it's Blenzol. Blenzol is a different smell. I like the smell of Blenzol. What happened?
Well, you couldn't ride it back, Ted?
Funny, man. I haven't got it dialed yet.
Not quite dialed. That's a sweet bike, Ted.
Gotta hang on to it, but it performs pretty well.